Getmancar Carsharing. How to make a trip. Open the app and choose a car from the map. You'll see only available cars. Select a car with either automatic or manual transmission. Each car is labeled A for automatic or M for manual. Click on any car to view its card, which includes prices and detailed information about the vehicle. This card shows the model and make, registration number, parking address, and fuel level. To find out how far the car is from you, click Lay the route. The map will display the distance in kilometers and the estimated time to reach the car. If you want to add the car to your favorites for quick access later, just click the heart icon. Swipe right or left to select a tariff. The tariff card outlines the price for the duration of use, cost per kilometer, included free mileage, unlocking cost, and the amount of deposit that will be blocked before starting your trip. Need more details? Click the Details button on the tariff card. Want to see how the car looks or check additional features? Pull the card up for more information. You can find out if it has air conditioning or Bluetooth and see real photos of the car, including those from the last rental to help you locate it. Found the perfect rate? Click Book to continue. You'll be asked if you want to add super insurance. For more details, click More about insurance. If you prefer to skip it, select No, or choose Activate to add extra coverage for your safety. Your car is now booked. You have a temporary free waiting time to reach the car and begin your trip. Need help finding your way? Click the Route button and the app will launch navigation to guide you to the car. When you're near the car, press the Open button to unlock it. Can't spot the car in the parking lot? Hit Blink and the car will flash its lights or beep to help you locate it. Before you start, inspect the car and take photos from different angles. This helps document the car's condition and ensures you're aware of any existing damage. Only the account owner is allowed to drive the car, so the service might ask you for a selfie before you start. Send your photo and you're ready to go. During colder months, you might have access to a free warm-up mode that lasts 5 minutes. This allows you to start the engine and clear snow or ice from the car. Once it's warmed up, press Continue to start your trip. As you drive, the meter will display the trip cost and distance traveled. You can rate the car during your trip and report any issues. Click on the Rate card and swipe left or right to choose a rating or leave a comment. If you decide to switch tariffs mid-trip, click Change and select a new tariff. Need to park or make a short stop? Park the car following traffic rules, turn off the engine, close the windows and exit. Press the parking button to lock the car. It will stay locked and reserved for you with a per-minute parking rate applied. To resume your trip, press Continue and the car will unlock. Ready to end your trip? Park the car in the designated end zones, marked as dark zones on the map. Follow traffic rules, turn off the lights and engine, close the windows and exit the car. Press the Finish button. The car will lock, the rental will end, and the trip cost will appear on your phone. Please take photos of the car from different angles to document its condition when you return it, in case any damage occurs after your rental. Want to share your experience? Leave a review or share your trip on social media or with friends. Thank you for choosing Getmancar. Enjoy your ride.